to another unboxing video. Today we will be looking at the year 2020 Predator Triton 500, which has been blessed with a huge upgrade from the previous version. Let's not waste any more time talking, straight for the unboxing.
So just like basically the very basic of unboxing, we have to open the box first and we'll get our goodies inside. What's in the box? There will be 3 packages and a note. For the note, basically it's about what's inside of the box, and also there will be 3 packages. One is very small and the second one is medium, very long, and the last one is gonna be the biggest one. The smallest package will be the setup guide. In case you guys having this laptop as your first notebook ever, I suggest you read it thoroughly at first. So the second box is a very heavy one. It will be contained with the power cable and the power brick itself for you to charge your laptop later on. Now, putting everything else aside, we're gonna unbox the biggest box there is. It's gonna be the notebook itself or the laptop. And to unbox this, you just lift the box upwards and it will appear beautifully perfect package inside of the plastic. So you have to remove the plastic first, then only you can put your hand straight on the laptop. Beautiful, just So this is one of the most lightweight Predator laptop, Triton 500 year 2020, and it's one of the beasts out there that can perform in any way you want it to be it gaming, be it doing creative contents, or even working as, you know, art designer. And it's one of the most thinnest Predator gaming laptop series, if you ask me down there. So this is gonna be the views from the front and the side. Now, without wasting any more time, let's just jump right into the specification of the Triton 500 year 2020.
The Predator Triton 500 2020. If you guys are looking for a laptop just for gaming or even working, even for creative contents, this is what you're looking for. Do check it out online or just walk into nearby stores, but do keep in mind, by the way, that the local spec varies depending on where you get it from. And this is Chichu Gaming. See you guys in the next one.